Oh, Danny, which one do you want? This one?
Come and see the cake.
Hold on.
It's so pretty.
Did they decorate it already?
Uh-huh.
Which one do you want?
Puti.
This one? It's almost his birthday.
Hmm?
Yeah. You never know. He's your brother.
Hey, Papa.
No.
Manos así. Hey!
It's in his sweater. Oh, which one do you want?
Apple.
Close the door. Which one do you want? He's smelling it.
Papa.
Which one?
Papa.
This one?
Apple.
He makes me do it. Oh my god. Look. Who is this?
You.
No, he said it earlier. Look, who is this then?
Who's this guy?
He says it doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Can I see it?
Who is this?
Ash.
Aish? That's how he says my name. He's trying to say Alex, but he says Ash. No more? No more. I don't really like the smell of the apples.
How did you find it?
Because I wanted a fall one, but I didn't really like it.
Like shampoo.
I don't like how it smells. No more. No. 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 How rude. You're not leaving. Yeah. Trying to turn on the light. Yeah. No. No. There.
Papi. Papi. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Danny, you wanna feed the birds? The birds? Num num? You know what he's gonna do? No, feed the birds. That's why he says that. Look, he knows. No, because I told him right now. He's like, num num. See, he's going into the laundry where they are. Where's num num?
Come.
Gum? Wait.
No, Monkey.
He wants to feed the birds. He wants to. Look.
Kaki.
Okay.
Next time, want to taste it?
Look, it's up here. Uh-huh.
Vamos a limpiar a bird's house, right?
Siéntate. Yeah, sit.
Let's clean the bird's house.
No. Hold on. Wait.
Is that a baby cat?
No.
Yeah.
Lucky.
Yeah. She's almost going in there.
Oh my god, he's gonna take forever. Just dump it.
Stop throwing. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no more. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Damn.
Yeah.
Okay, no more.
Now clean the water también.
He's trying to flatten it out. Okay. Oh, look, he's biting. Oh, see, look, this is what I want to feed. There's a lot of.
What is that thing?
Danny's like, hey.
What is that thing for?
It's like a treat. My dad got them.
Treat?
Do it again. Yeah. Num num.
We're trying to find food, girl.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Or else we have to clean that. Let me bring some newspaper. Hold on.
Yeah, bring some. They're in the basement, I think.
Okay.
Don't pick your nose. Oh, he's not picking it. They're hungry. Uh-huh. Num num. What are you doing, Danny? Yeah, this. Oh, look at it. Oh. No. Don't. Hey. You know. They're hungry. They're hungry. Yeah. She read some newspaper. No, Danny. You're probably gonna go on the floor, so watch out. You're poor Danny too. But dirty.
You haven't changed the water, so.
I know.
A ver, quítate, Dani.
Oh my god, how are we gonna get him up again? Don't give him no more food. No.
If you move it, I think they'll see it again.
Now do it again. The red button.
But. See, I saw
Oh
it.
my god. No, don't move it because then it's gonna get closer to the food.
Can I zoom in? See?
Yeah. Okay. Don't pick your. Yeah. Scream. Oh my god, you did not do it right now. Ah! I didn't. Cheese, say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Look at his dimples. Say cheese. No. Hey. No feet. No feet. No feet. Oh, oh, he came down fast. No. 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 Ahorita. Come. Which one? No, Danny. No. You want the yellow one? Aninja. Num num. Cookies. Cookies. Oh, no. Say cheese. Say please. Vete.
El de mi esposo 366